Hi, I am JORC. I am here to tell you how to service your MAGY. First, you isolate the drain from the pressurized air system. Use the 6 mm Allen key to unscrew the bolts. The drain can now be opened to be serviced. Unscrew the valve top nut to remove the operator assembly. Use the 17 mm wrench to unscrew the valve. Remove the housing gasket. Use the 17 mm wrench and a 13 mm wrench to open the valve and take out the valve parts. Remove the valve gasket. Clean all valve parts, operator and housing thoroughly. Make sure not to damage any component. Lubricate the valve gasket and place it under the valve body. Place the valve parts. Close the valve using a 13 and a 17 mm wrench. Screw the valve into the housing using a 17 mm wrench. Place the operator assembly. Make sure to push it all the way down. Screw the valve top nut back onto the valve. Lubricate and place the housing gasket. Place the top part. Make sure the housing gasket is in place. Tighten the bolts using a 6 mm Allen key. Slowly pressurize the system by opening the ball valve. The MAGY is now ready to perform again.